Hey folks, welcome to Temz Offgrid. In one of my tree felling videos, there's an undercut Humboldt that I do, and it's on this stump in this tree here. This opened up the view tremendously from up top once this tree was removed. This is 26-inch diameter, and when I dropped it, I left it here. And remember, the undercut Humboldt, I want the bottom to hit first and then the top. I don't want the top to hit first because then it's going to break up the tree. So then I just cut the tree in 3 14-foot segments. So I've got the grapple down here. My goal today is to get these 3 segments up top so I get them into the dump trailer. I'm hoping I can get at least one in the dump trailer, and then I can get the tractor in the dump trailer, because I'm never going to be able to get one of these monsters. Well, I can get out of the dump trailer with the dump mode, but I'll never get it off the ground and onto the sawmill. So I brought the Kioti over here with the grapple, and I'm going to try to get this rolling down the hill and then try to pick it up with the tractor and get it up top. Alright, so definitely the method was to come around from behind it, push it on down so that I could grab onto it. The key was also rotating the bucket on the backhoe uphill so I'm not tilting over. Tractors are super top heavy, very unstable. You have to do movements very carefully and methodically. Always have your seat belt and your rollover protection on. So I'll take this one up. The next one's going to be larger, and this last one's even larger. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to take this one up and I'll be back. I just took a measurement on the other side, the other end of this log over here, and it's still over 16 inches in diameter way down there. So 26 on this end, over 16 still, about 30 feet away, 28 feet. So I'm going to come in with the tractor on this hillside and try to push this next 14-foot segment on down some so I can grab it right out of the hillside. And the last is this monster. approach because it kind of puts one edge up on the embankment and you can come under there and grab it. I don't know how much I'll be able to lift is the only thing. So that's something else. Getting it to the dump trailer, you may have to use the height, whatever height you've got it at, use that height, get it to the dump trailer, and then push in. I don't know that I can lift it all the way up and dump it in there. We'll see. All right, so last task today is get this log into the trailer. Now I know that the weight of this log, its length and everything else, it's really dense. I can't pick it up, but I can pick one side of it up, get it onto the trailer, and then push it the rest of the way on. So I'm just going to find the simplest way to get it on there. I also have both water totes loaded on the back. This has been a good day. Haven't broke anything today. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. Doot doot. Anyways, let's get this loaded so we can get out of here. would say that's one of the advantages of a compact tractor. I can fit the tractor and a massive log both in the trailer and take them on their journey together, because I'll need the tractor to get that thing up on the sawmill. Thanks for watching. See y'all.